Have you ever wondered what's involved in building a powerful brand? Or even how you could do it starting with little or no money? If so, then this course is for you. Hi, I'm Rick Cesari, and I've spent the last 25 years building many iconic brands. Products you probably have in your home like Sonicare, OxyClean, the George Foreman grill, and even the GoPro camera. In my course, I'm going to share with you what I call my 5 keys to building a great brand. You'll learn the difference between features and benefits, how you can create a strong USP or unique selling proposition, and how you can even position your product for maximum success. You'll learn how to differentiate your product or service from everything else in the marketplace so people will come to you and not your competitors. So are you ready to build your billion-dollar brand? If so, enroll now and let's get started helping you get WealthFit.